The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for all Illinois counties until further notice. 8:01:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. A deadly and gigantic tornado formed in the middle of the state. All residents must take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
The tornado warning has been cancelled. You thought this was a joke? No. You are safe. Go outside now.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. School's out. The tornado is getting extremely powerful. Run, take cover right now.